Okay, first of all, I want to start with this device is the prototype of the original one, so it will be exactly the same as in the catalog. So that the colors will be changed and it will be exactly the same in the catalog. So I want to show you that the main screen, when you press the start button, you will see the 4 sections here. You can name your product by sample ID, and you should be entering the amount of flour you weighted, and here is you should be entering the moisture value of your flour and the protein content of your flour. These 3 sections should be entered, and we have 3 sections here. We have archive here, so that you can view all the results that you got from past. Here's the service section, and you can do all the arrangements by clicking here: mixer, vibrator, current, heater. And we have also network section here, so that you can connect with your phone to the device and give commands on it. We have time arrangement, theme arrangement, and maintenance. And here is the calibration. Okay, to perform the test, we will be needing 3 grams of boric acid, which is already weighted here, and another 3 grams of potassium iodide, which is already weighted here, and we'll be adding 2 droplets of sodium thiosulfide solution, and of course 1 grams of sample flour, and we'll be mixing these 2 chemicals with 120 milliliters of distilled water. Distilled water is also ready, so now I'm mixing them. milliliters of distilled water, 3 grams of boric acid, 3 grams of potassium iodide, and 2 droplets of sodium thiosulfide solution, 1 and 2. Okay, our solution is ready, and to perform the test you should be taking off this coverage. It covers the probe inside of it. Okay, now it's almost ready to perform, and after we putting our flour sample, we can perform the test and start button. And here you can see which stage are you in. This is the second stage, and you can view the time, the duration of the test, and you can observe the temperature of inside of the solution, and we will be get the results from here: absorbed iodine percentage and UCD value. And you see the current is increasing. This line represents the time passing, and this line represents the current inside of the solution. And you see the color of the solution is almost yellowish color, which means the iodine production is started by this probe. And we will come back to the video after the flour pour is started by the device. Okay, now we are in the third stage, which means we are gonna get a steady current at maximum point, and after 1 minute the flour will be poured into the device at the 4th stage. Now you'll see. Okay, now the flour is poured into the solution, and the color turns to almost a black one, which is very normal. And you see the current is decreasing by time because of the absorbed iodine by the damaged starch molecules inside of the flour, our sample flour. Okay, this test will end after when this green line reaches 350 seconds. So I will come back around 300 seconds. Okay, now as you can see, we're almost at the end of the test. So we are gonna get the results here. Okay, as you can see, the absorbed iodine percentage is 96.02 and the UCD value is 26.34. Okay, that's the end of the test.